good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Emma. I'm good. A little tired, but I'm okay.
A little tired? Oh no, did you sleep late?
Yes, very late. I watched a movie last night.
Really? What movie did you watch?
I don't remember the name. It was something funny, a comedy.
Haha, that's okay. Sometimes we forget the name, but a funny movie is always good.
Yes, it helped me relax.
That's great. I like starting my day with something positive. Speaking of starting the day, did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had some toast and tea. Very simple.
Nice. I had a banana and coffee. Quick and easy.
Coffee sounds good. Maybe I need one too.
Haha, maybe. So, are you ready for another English lesson today?
Yes, I'm ready. I always enjoy these lessons.
Thank you, Leo. And welcome, listeners. We're happy you are here today. Today, we have a very useful topic, a very important topic, introducing yourself in English.
Yes, everyone needs this. At work, at school, when traveling, everywhere.
Exactly. And today, we will speak slowly, clearly, very simply. Perfect for beginners.
Great. Let's start.
Okay, let's start with something easy. Leo, what is your name?
My name is Leo.
Good. And my name is Emma. Listeners, repeat after me. My name is Emma. Good. And now, my name is Leo. Great.
Nice. Very easy.
Leo, can you introduce yourself? Just a simple introduction.
Sure. Hello. My name is Leo. I am from Brazil. I am 28 years old.
That was perfect, slow and clear. I will do one too. Hello, my name is Emma. I am from Canada. I am 32 years old.
Nice. Very simple.
Let's talk about names again for beginners. You can say, my name is, or I'm.
Yes, like I'm Leo or I'm Emma.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat. I'm. Good job.
Emma, maybe we can also talk about nicknames.
Oh, yes, nicknames. Many people have a nickname. For example, Leonardo becomes Leo. Jonathan becomes John. Elizabeth becomes Liz.
Yes, and sometimes the nickname is very different from the real name.
True, very true. So when introducing yourself, you can say, my name is Leonardo, but you can call me Leo.
Good example. Listeners, if you have a nickname, try to say your full sentence out loud. Nice job, everyone.
Now let's talk about where we are from. Leo, where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
And I say, I am from Canada. Listeners, say it with us. I am from, and then your country. Great.
Emma, sometimes people ask, where do you live? Is that also part of introducing yourself?
That's a very good question, Leo. Yes, sometimes people ask that too. You can answer, I live in, and say your city. For example, I live in Vancouver, or I live in Sao Paulo.
Or I live in Tehran.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat after me. I live in... Great.
This is very helpful.
And now age. Leo, how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
And I am 32 years old. Listeners, say your age out loud. I am years old.
Awesome.
Awesome. Emma, can we add job or hobbies too? Maybe to make a longer introduction?
Yes, of course. When you introduce yourself, you can also say things like, I am a student. I am a teacher. I like music. I like movies. I like cooking.
Yes, let me try a longer introduction, slowly. Hello, my name is Leo. I am from Brazil. I am 28 years old. I am a student. I like music.
That was great, Leo. Listeners, you can add one hobby too. Say it out loud now. Very nice.
I am from Brazil. And you?
I am from Canada. How old are you?
I am 28 years old. You?
I am 32 years old.
That was nice.
Yes, and now, listeners, you can practice the same conversation alone. Pretend you are talking to someone. I will ask the questions. You answer out loud. What is your name? Nice. Where are you from? Great. How old are you? Good job. That was awesome.
Very good practice.
Let's have a little friendly chat now, like a real podcast conversation. So, Leo, when you meet someone new, do you feel shy?
Sometimes, yes, I get nervous. My English is not perfect, so I feel a little shy.
That's very normal. Many people feel the same, especially beginners.
Yes, I think many listeners feel the same too.
But here's the good thing. Introductions are simple, very simple. You can say just 3 small sentences and that's enough.
Yes, like, hello, my name is Leo. I am from Brazil.
Exactly. That's perfect for the first time. You don't need to say too much.
And with practice, it becomes easier.
Yes. Every time you practice, you feel more confident.
I agree. By the way, Leo, when did you learn to say your introduction in English for the first time?
Oh, when I was maybe 12? It was the first thing we learned in school.
Same for me. It's the #1 first lesson in many countries.
Yes, because everyone needs it.
Exactly. You might meet a new coworker, or a person on a trip, or someone in a language class.
And also in immigration or airport situations.
Oh yes, good point. When traveling, people ask, "Where are you from?" So today's lesson is extra useful.
Very useful.
Let's practice one more longer introduction together, slowly.
Okay, I go first. Hello, my name is Leo. I am from Brazil. I am 28 years old. I live in Sao Paulo. I am a student. I like music and movies. Nice to meet you.
That was beautiful. Now my turn. Hello, my name is Emma. I am from Canada. I am 32 years old. I live in Vancouver. I am a teacher. I like coffee and reading. Nice to meet you.
Very nice.
Listeners, your turn. Try to say a long introduction now. Say your name, country, age, city, job, and hobby. Ready? Go. Amazing! Great practice, everyone.
Emma, I think the listeners did very well.
I agree. I can feel their progress already.
Yes, when people repeat out loud, they learn faster.
Exactly. And speaking slowly helps too.
Yes, and your voice is very clear. That helps me a lot.
Aw, thank you, Leo.
You're welcome.
All right. I think it's time for a little review before we finish.
Good idea.
Today we practiced introducing yourself. We practiced saying, my name is, I am from, I live in, I am years old, I like.
Yes, very simple but very important.
Listeners, try to practice your introduction 3 times today. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
Yes, keep practicing.
Thank you for listening to this episode. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.